Everyone's been asking where the Miata is. No one's been asking. It's still here and it is leaking fluids as is tradition. Today we are going to be replacing the power steering high pressure hose because it has been leaving a small lake underneath the car. It looks like the lower portion of it is leaking by the power steering, or by the, kind of by the power steering rack. Well, it is a power steering line, so that. On a non-turbo car, if you still have the stock intake box, you would have to take the crossover tube off and the intake box out over there. We have a turbo. Really hoping I can get this off without removing too much stuff. There's a 19mm coupler on there, and then a 12mm holding the top of the hose on. Then if we come underneath the car, since I have the Flyin Miata coolant relocation, don't think that coolant hose is gonna be in the way. But it looks like there's 12mm. Wait, that's the wrong hose. This is the hose, right? Jeez. Okay. Down below there is a 12mm holding the lower portion on. Highly recommend purchasing a 17mm flared wrench for that fitting so you don't goof it up. But here we are. When do I follow my own advice? Alright, so I got the bracket transferred over on the top and bottom. I got the new line in place. Now I just need to put my inner tie rod back in and then bleed it. I heard that you need to take this return line and plug it, but I'm gonna try to just turn it lock to lock. That's what I did with the Impala and that worked fine with the car off. So we'll see if that works. Miata power steering pumps use automatic transmission fluid, and it's either like Mercon 3 or Dex. I'm gonna put this in because I had it. And if it blows up, I'll leave a comment. It should be fine. It's red. The stuff that came out is red, right? How much it takes, I'm not sure. I probably could Google it right now. Looks like it's supposed to be 1.25 quarts, so I will be a little bit shy if most of it drained.